Yeah, they are hearing me, but oh, they are not able to hear me. But somebody should say, right, that I'm not able to. They are writing, but if they will speak, I will be able to hear, right? I don't know what's the problem. Why you guys
Sir,
are not.
I wasn't able to hear, sir. I was rejoining again and again.
Me too, sir.
Yeah, got it. I'm sorry. Shreya, this is your paper. You have done this. I think you know, right? You have done this mistake. That's why in trigonometry, what I'm saying is I'll be taking a special class on Saturday and Sunday of mathematics about trigonometry. Okay, uh, trigonometry about how you can remember formulas. Okay, what? How only about formulas, or maybe Saturday or Sunday one class, or maybe paper discussion of this paper based on the paper. What type of mistakes you guys are doing? I want to discuss that because here too it's fine. You just take the test. You don't take the test. But finally, CBSE you have to take the test, right? In your school to get promoted to 12th standard, so that your friends can see. Okay, no comments. So that is not a part of special series, by the way. So if you can come, it will be good. Divya, of course, you won't be able to come. Not here also. See, she's so tired even after classes and classes from school directly. She will go to class, right? That's what is happening. It's fine. I think if you guys can handle it, that's why you should eat healthy, right? Yeah, now it should be like, what's the reason? The reason is you will have more energy to take class and mental. See, this is the time that this is the best time of your life. You know that you just need to study. That's it. You don't have to do anything. We need to study, right? You have to say like that, is it? I also used to think like you, but maybe after 4 or 5 years you will realize that. Not today. Definitely not today. Okay. So parts of mathematics is very good. Ah, okay, got it. Okay, see, in special series, we will be studying only three types of series. Okay, one, we have like infinite series also, maybe some other time we'll do that, but first we need to finish our CBSE, of course, I mean in CRT. So, yeah, you have infinite series in your book? In NCRT it is there, and in your syllabus. See why they left AP, why AP is not in syllabus, but because anyway you have to do AP. Because infinite series is 10th, it was there, arithmetic progression. Okay, good. But mean you understand yesterday only we did, no? Mean and okay. All right. So special series, what we'll see will like we already know 1, 2, 3. If we have a series like this up to n terms, right? So this is in AP. We can see that. Now, how about a term a square? Means 1 square, 2. So this is n, right? 3 square. A term like this up to n square. Is this in AP? Is this AP? No, right? This is not AP. But in the last topic, what we did, we converted some of the series we can convert to arithmetic progression, okay, or some different kind of series. Okay, so we will try to find out the solution of these type of series. First, before that, what we'll do, we'll write. This happens in only with me, right? Oh, finally, that is, it's not just my mistake. Summation of n from n is equal to 1. Okay, wait. How do you sum up this? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus up to n. Sorry, up to n times n. Up to n times. This is your nth term, Tn. This is T1, first term, T1. Okay. What was the answer? n into 1, that means n. So this value is equal to n. Because we are adding it, if you take 2 terms, it will be 2. If you take 3 terms, it will be 3. See, these all proofs are mathematical induction proofs. That chapter we missed, not in syllabus, right? All the proofs are there. See, that chapter we study only for the purpose to proof. For the purpose of proof only we study. Why you are writing on page? You don't have a notebook. Over. So this is empty. You can keep this. I'm not writing anything. Take it. It's fine. Okay. Happy. You also want one? Tomorrow I'll give you one. Okay. But don't bring your notebook. Okay. So this we know is one. Abhinav. Abhinav, what I have seen, somehow you have memorized some of the answers and you're directly just writing the proof. I really don't appreciate that. Okay, that is not cool, man. There was a question, you just wrote the answer with something, 1/16. The answer is correct, final answer is correct. But you just wrote the answer. Why you did that? Just to bring, don't do that, yeah, don't do that.
Okay.
Oh, you want to see where it is?
Said 1/16 and you said for the proof, sir. I know what the question is.
Yeah, right. That I think you guys have memorized the question also. What is the question, by the way?
20 cos 40 cos.
So the answer is 1/16, right? So everyone knows the answer. Directly he did 1/2 and somehow something into 1/8. What is that? Show the steps. I know even if you memorize the answer, if that is multiple choice, you will get the mark. But you won't get it if it is a proof. It's a theoretical question. Earlier, before 2006, JEE used to have subjective questions. That time they will do that. 2000, my one of the teacher who taught me physics, he got out of 50, he got 2 in mathematics, and he still got in IIT Delhi because the question was so tough. Everyone got like -8, -3 marks like that. Okay. Negative marking, remember. So you should know. Maybe tomorrow, next year, the JEE will say, okay, or any exam will say, we'll take subjective paper. Then what do you do? Sulfur. I know. Okay. So what about series like, okay, somebody from the class 2 + 2, of course, everyone knows the answer, up to n times or n + 3 times, Tn + 3. Somebody tell me the answer. Yeah, somebody online tell me the answer. Yes, sir. Anyone? Murli, are you there in class? Murli is there?
Yes, sir. I just joined, sir. I was a few minutes late.
Murli, what happened to you? Are you well?
Yes, sir. I joined a few minutes late, sir. I had some internet issues.
That is fine, but you haven't been joining for past few classes.
Sir, I have some exams going on, sir.
Okay. So tell me, what's the sum of this? See, if you add 1 n times, okay, you will get n. If you add 2 n + 3 times, what you will get? Huh? What you will get? Anyone online? Shreya. What you will get if you add 2 n + 3 times? If you add 2 n times, let's say n times. This is Tn. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I got it. Wait. Hey, stop talking both of you. What? Nothing important. Shut up. What you will get from here?
Sir,
You
any
can
comment? I mean,
you can take two common. Maybe go sit there. Maybe sit there. You and you sit here. What is wrong with you guys? See,
So you're asking question that you only don't
just don't talk. Okay? No noise. Even if you want to talk in sign languages. That is fine. Take two common. So what you'll get 1 plus 1 plus up to how many times? N plus 2 times. So what you will get? 2 times of n plus 2. That will be equal to 2n plus 4. Anybody is having doubt? See, first understand this part, no? Why it is n plus. Is that okay? Can I simplify a little bit more? No. Simplify the method to teach. No. How, what I should say, something. Keep adding first term, second term, third term. Is it? See, if let's say now see, you have got 2n plus 4. How you will verify it? So this first add first 3 terms. So that means T3 you want to calculate, right? So T3 will be equal to 2 times of, just substitute n is equal to 3 plus 4. How much you are getting? Is it? Some what mistake I have done? What's the mistake that I have done? Something is wrong here, right? We should get 6. Yeah.
For n plus 2 times, this is this much. So for n times, it will be
Okay. And this
3 plus 2.
this is okay. Yeah. This. Yeah. Thanks, both of you. This is n plus 2. This is Tn plus sum of first n plus 2 terms, right? So sum of first n terms will be 2 times of n. Sn will be equal to what? 2 times of n. Fine. Right. So first 3 terms you add. So 2 into 3. What you are getting? 6. So if you add this, and this, how much you are getting? 6. Right. How did we get this special series? That's why it is special, right? Already everything is written. It's it. How come we got this thing here?
That has to be your second.
Okay. So I understood. Okay. Special series, right? Summation of n. That means summation of n. See, this is the first one. Summation of n means what? How do you write summation of n? Or we also write this as summation of k, where k is from 1 to n. How do we write this? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. How many times? N times. So this is AP. This is general AP. So find the sum. See, this is Sn only, right? We are adding this. So this is Sn. How do you find? Yeah. So n by 2 into 2 times of A. The value of A is 1 here. Plus n minus 1 into D. D is also 1. What we are getting? N by 2. Wait. I know you know. 2. See, the thing is, I have to do it for everyone, right? Minus 1. Sorry. I have to do it for everyone. I can't do it. I can go very fast. Believe me, I can go really, really fast. Is equal to n by 2. So 2 plus n minus 1. So this will be n by 2 and n plus 1. So this is Sn. Sn, that means if you have a series like this, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. This is you will be adding. So sum. This is you can also write as summation of n, or you can also write summation of k. K is from 1 to n. That's the meaning. Okay. Second one. Write down summation of n square. Okay, that is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. Up to, this is there in the syllabus, right? N square. This is there in the syllabus. This is there. Okay. How, anybody knows the answer? Some? Do you know? It is there in your syllabus, right? And you said you have already done it. Not this. So again, I'm not giving you the proof. The proof is with math. I'll try to give you a short proof of it. But first we will solve problem based on these formulas. I hate it. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6. Hey, shut up. You constantly keep on talking. What is this? I'm right here, right? You asked me. Yeah, the proof is there. The proof is there. That see the actual proof you'll get from mathematical induction. Don't. Yeah, wait. Third one. First, let's solve some of the problem because ultimately I know nobody is going to do the proof. Everybody will just want the shortcut formulas, right? Summation of n cube. That is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3. Yeah, tell me. I also want to know. See, only 2 of you are here in this class, and I'm getting so much sum of. Both of you are so annoying. N square, n cube. So sum this n cube. This you will write, or this is your Sn. Okay. Sn we simply write. Anybody? Right up. Let's solve some of the problems based on. Just see these 3 formulas properly. See, that means what you can say, summation of you can write just important, not important, it's an observation point. That means summation of, I try to write soft. I do. N cube is equal to summation of n. You see this? This is whole square. Okay, do not get confused. There is a relation between this 3 and 1. Okay, not with 2. Let me write from 1 and 3. Okay, we'll solve some of the problems based on it. Easy, right? So we just use these formulas. Find out summation of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus up to 20 square. I don't know the answer. How much you said? 2870. Okay, I still don't know the answer. Where from I'm giving you this problem? So how you will do it? Use that same formula, right? So n is equal to how much here? 20. And okay, so summation of n square, this one is okay, n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 upon 6, right? That's what. And you'll be putting substitute. Put so this is your Sm. 20 will be equal to 20 into 21. Anybody is having doubt how we got 21? Don't laugh, kids. This is 40. 40 plus 1, so I'll directly write 41. What's wrong with this tablet? Why can't he give us a new tablet? I'll ask him 6. How much will be this? So this is 41, right? So this is 10, 3, 7, right? 7 is 28, so 2, 8, 7, 0. All right. Second question. Find 4 cube plus 8 cube plus 12 cube up to 40 cube. How you will do it? Divide by? Why do you have to divide it?
Then 1 to 4.
Yeah. I think no, you are correct only. So the thing is you have to find, see, 1 to 40, you know the formula, okay? And you know the formula from 1 to 3. So what you will do, so again, so what you do, let's say this is your x. And this value also you know y. And you need to find out x minus y. Right? Do it. Do it. That's how, see, if you divide it by 4, what you will get? You want to convert it to which term? If you divide it by 4, what you will get? 4 square plus 2 times of 4 square, right? 8 square, sorry. 8 square plus 3 times of 8 cube. See the series? That's what you will be getting, no? See, if you divide, you won't be able to find it. Like in the previous class, we saw that why we are multiplying it by 8 by 9 only, right? See, the reason being for that series is unknown. Definitely we'll be able to do something and find some of the value, but it will take a very long time. Okay, so that's why we don't do it. Like the formula of kinetic energy, half mv square. The proof, there is a book, I forgot the name. There is a proof of 500 pages. Actual proof is how they came up with half mv square. It's not just directly someone wrote, okay, today I'm writing half mv square, so from today onwards it is, you need to prove it, right? This is half mv square, work energy theorem. That change in your kinetic energy is work done. Who said this? Just simply if I'll say changes kinetic energy is work done. Is it correct? How can we say is it right? Not, right? So there is a proof of it related to kinetic energy, all the theorems, there is a proof. So those proofs, that's what you do when you become a researcher. Now nobody wants to be a researcher. Okay. Find it. Find x, find y. Now find x minus y. So you have to find summation of n square, or I can write like this. Okay, I'll give you the solution. Not square, it is cube, right? Summation of k cube, k from 1 to 40 minus summation of k from 1 to 3 k cube. Okay, this is your Sm. This is what you need to find out. For cube, those who have not noted down, this is the formula for cube. Done. Vidhi. I don't know the answer. Seriously. Oh, okay. Answer should be there now somewhere. What's the series? I'll just first check the answer. Okay. Where from I gave, I also forgot. Something's wrong. Check it. The answer is not correct. Now the answer you should get, you should get, according to the book, by the way, 193600. You got it? Same, you. That means the answer in the book is incorrect. Okay, fine. See, it can be there. The answer can be incorrect. I blame you guys. Okay. So this, what we can write? N into n plus 1 by 2 whole square, right? N1, let's say. This is from k is equal to 1 to 40. Okay, that means the value of n is 40 here. Okay, we write minus function of k is from 1 to 3 n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Mistake? You have done for square or the same formula you have used. So what we can write here? 40 into 41 by 2 whole square minus 3. So 3 into 4 by 2 whole square. Same thing. I don't know, then that can be mistake. So 20. So 20 into 41 will be how much? 2820 square minus 6 square. Okay, so how much is this? 820 square is how much? 672400 minus 36. How much we are getting? The question correct, that I have given. I don't know where this question is. Okay, so how much we are getting? 2, 3, 6, 4, right? So this will be your answer. Okay. Okay. 4, 8, 12. That means 4.
4, 5, 6, 7. Then only we can.
Oh, okay. So, okay, we have done one more mistake. Okay, that means n. No. Okay, yeah, correct. All right, do it. why not? Okay. Solve it again. There was some mistake here. See, this series is not like 4 cube plus 5 cube plus 6 cube plus 8 cube. We don't have these two terms, right? Plus 9 cube plus 10 cube plus 11 cube. We don't have these terms. 12 cube. We don't have these terms. So what we are going to do? How we are going to solve this? Plus 40 till 40. So that means 4, 8, 12. Next term is what? 16 cube, right? So let's write the series. 4 cube, 8 cube, 16 cube, 20 cube. Up to this we are going to 40 cube. So is there any method that what we can do with this? Anyone? Please give me any suggestion. What we can take out common? 4. If we take out 4, what we will get? Okay, try it yourself or let me think about it a little bit. Okay, I have also made this mistake. I'm really sorry. Good question. Just a minute. See, write down the working rules. I think I should have mentioned this first. So working rules first, find Tn. Okay, the general term. Try to find the general term. Without the general term, we won't be able to find the summation, sum of the series. Next, write the general term Tn. Tn in algebra means polynomial equation. Okay. On polynomial form. So that means write in the form of so that you can get summation of n square plus some a times of summation of n square plus summation of n or b times summation of and c times summation of n cube. Like that, in this form we can get the equation because we know or we already know these values. Then find the third step will be to find Sn. We are directly finding the Sn, that's why we are having that. So for this problem, before this, just solve this question. I'll just give you one example. Okay. Find out 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square plus up to infinity. How you will find, or up to n also. Up to n also you can find out, no problem. Plus let's write n square. We are not studied the infinite series, right? How you will find this type of terms? See, again, this is a similar kind of problem, right? So what we are doing right now, where I made the mistake. Okay, so here, so this is your Sn. Sn, this is your Sn, right? We can also write Sn is equal to, how we can write Sn? One more method, how we can write it. Someone tell me something about how we can solve this type of problems. Divide n square plus what you are
2 cube plus 1 equals
Write it down. Write it down what you're saying. You will understand whether it is correct. In the reverse, that proof you are, no, not that, not like that. Why you can try that method. I don't know that method, by the way. I honestly don't know what you are doing. That method, maybe you'll be able to solve the problem from that method, but I don't know. Try something else. Try subtracting something. Try to subtract so that you can get it in a series, in a form, particular form. Right now, you were saying something that was correct. So if it is 1 squared 2n plus 1. See, if you write 2n plus 1, if you put k is equal to 0 to n. See, n is k is always a natural number. You got it, right? Okay. Again, I should mention these things. N here must be a natural number. Okay. N belongs to natural number. So n cannot be equal to 0. Okay. You are almost right. You are correct. See how we can write this series. Listen. So Sn is equal to, see, this is n square, 1 square, 2 square is missing, right? So can we write this as summation of 2n minus 1? N is from 1 to what? N, is it n? Yeah. No. If you put n is equal to n, what you'll get? 2n minus 1 you will get. So till where? N, can we write till n? Where is the problem? I forgot the problem. See, if n is equal to 1, then this will become 1, right? 1 square. So this is a square. If n is equal to 2, so 4 minus, so 3 square, right? So this we are getting. If we put n is equal to up to n. Okay, let's solve it up to n. 2n minus 1. We cannot write up to n. This is not right. From n is equal to 1 to what? Okay. Instead of n, k, n we should write k, right? 2k minus 1. K is equal to 1 to n. See, if you put n, so what you'll get? 2n minus 1 whole square you'll get. Right? So that is not correct. So last time you should get n square. You should write such that you should get only n square. So you will be writing till. Okay, I got it. With how we'll do it. Yeah, exactly. So see how we can get x. Let's substitute. We need to find the value of x is equal to 2k minus 1 square, right? And we should get x square. Should be equal to, that means n should be equal to 2k minus 1. Write down. Yeah, 2k plus. No, then you'll get 2k. This you'll get, no? K is equal to 1 if I substitute. No, see, you get what you get. 2k square you'll get, right? Till 2k square you'll get. That means k n by 2 till k is equal to n by 2 if you write. So what you'll get? N by 2 plus 1. Now substitute 2k minus 2. 2 n by 2 plus 1 minus 1, right? So this will be n plus 2 minus 1. Then you'll get n. Yeah. N by 2 plus 1. Is this correct now? N by 2 plus 1. You substitute. K is equal. Show me. What you are writing? Because it cannot be up to 1 because last term is n square we are writing, right? That's right. Last term, if it is n square, it has to be n square last term. Somehow we have to write it such that it should be n square. Show me what you are doing. Something you are doing. Okay. So that's what I said. It will get n plus 1. Okay, okay. 2 times of k is n by 2 plus 1. That's what now? Minus 1. Isn't it? So if you multiply it inside, so n plus 2 minus 1. So n plus 1 we are getting, right? N plus 1 and 1. So how you can get? I have to check this. If okay, what will be the general term? 2n minus 1 only, right? 2n minus 1 whole square. Let's write the general term. That's the step, no? First find the general term. So first we'll write Tn. Tn will be equal to 2n minus 1 whole square, right? Plus 1. See, n if you start from 1, if n is equal to 1, so you'll get 1 square. If n is equal to 2, you will get 2 square. Okay, and let's not write n square here because it's not there in the question. I have written it myself. See, the thing is, it is n terms it is written. N terms. Okay, it's not n square. That's why this all mistake is happening. Because n terms, whatever it is, it will get n terms. You are getting my point, right? It's not given in the question that last term is n square. Okay, I am writing n and this is n. These are n terms. Okay, so Tn will be equal. So this is a general term. Can we agree on this? This is a general term. Okay. Now, what is Sn? Sn is the summation of general term Tn. Fine. So summation of Tn. So this will be 2n minus 1 whole square. Fine. Is that okay? So summation of this will become what? 4n square plus 1 minus 4n. Is that correct? Is that correct? So can we write this as 4 summation of n square plus summation of 1? Okay, summation of 1 up to n times, of course, minus 4 times summation of n. Can we write like that? So this we know 4. Okay. Okay, wait. Yeah, tell me what's the doubt? See, when it is adding, when you are adding stuff, right? Here I should everyone will see. So this term, if you add this term, you will sum from what? 1 to n. That's the summation we are doing, right? That's what we are writing from 1 to n. Even if you add this and this, then you do the sum. Like I'll just give you example. See, like 1 plus 2 plus 3. So how much is the sum? Okay, x, let's take some simple example, not the complicated example. X plus 2, if you add how many times? Let's say 3 times. Summation of x plus 2, x is from 1 to 3. Okay, what will be getting? 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. Fine. How much is this? 3 plus 4 plus 5. How much is that? 12. Okay. Now let's write down summation of x. X is equal to 1 to 3 plus summation of x 1 to 3. 3 times. That means 3 times will be adding 2. Right. So how you will write this? So this you will write x is 1 plus 2 plus 3. Fine. Plus this one, how you write? Now there is no x term, right? So you'll just be adding 3 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2. Fine. How much you are getting? How you get 11? 3 plus 2 or plus 1, 6. This is 6 and this is 6. How much is this? 12. Understood? So we can split it. We can split because n is a real number. If n is not a real number, then we cannot split. And here we are saying n is a natural number. Natural numbers are real numbers. Okay. So I've written it here also. N, where is that? N is a natural number. Okay. N is a natural number. So for natural numbers, we can split the terms. Okay. So write down. Shall I erase this part? See, anybody online is having a problem with this? Please tell me.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. So can we write this as 4 times or okay, I'll write one more step before writing this because in the beginning I only made the mistake. So Sn we can write summation of 4 times of n square plus summation of 1 plus minus summation of 4n. Fine. Is that okay? Now 4 is a constant. So if you keep adding, that means you can just multiply it with 4. Okay, so we'll take 4 outside. Summation of n square. Summation of 1 n times. See, this is n times, right? Because we have n terms. Okay, so summation of 1 n times, if you add 1, what we will get? See here, the first thing that we did, right? Here. This is the first thing that we did. So if you add 1 n times, you will get n. So this will be equal to n minus summation 4 again I can take outside. Summation of n. Now write down. We know this. We know this. Now solve it. Solve it. Don't wait for me, Vidit. I already am making mistakes already. Two of the mistakes I've already done today. Right? Is that correct? Huh? Nidhi and Kruti. Ask her. Is he here? Yeah. Got it. So you just now need to multiply. That's it, right? So you can write this 4 by 6. Yeah, 2 by 3. That means yes, sir. Okay, I don't know. Let's solve it. I'll solve only if I'll be able to write it. So can we write this as which one we are doing? Okay, now it is see that means 2 by 3. This is 2 by 3. N into n plus. So this what you can write? So 2 n cube, right? N plus 2n 3n. So 3n square plus wait 1 n. Yeah, what? Now tell me. No, tell me. Is this correct or not? If it is wrong, you can tell me. Plus n minus. I just multiplied all three terms. See, you multiply. Okay, minus. So this will be 4 by 2 is 2. And this will be n square plus n. So what we can write this? 4 by 3 n cube plus 2n square plus 2 by 3n plus n minus 2n square minus 2n, right? Is that okay? So 2n square and 2n square, you can cancel out these two terms. And there here also, you have n 3 terms of n. So we can write it 4 by 3 n cube. Okay. So 2 by 3 minus 1 is how much? 2 by 3 minus 1 will be how much? Minus 1 by 3 n. So you can combine. So you can take 1 by 3 common. So 4 n cube. Sorry, n cube. No? Or okay, 4 n cube minus n. So this will be our answer. Okay, let's do one problem. Let's write 1, 2, 3. These are all multiplied. Okay, 2, 3, 4 plus 3, 4, 5 up to n terms. First, write the general step 1. Write Tn. Write the general term. Write the nth term, that means start solving. How we can write the general term? Tn will be equal to, it must be n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. Can we write like that? That is correct. Now, since you have the general term, find this Sn. Sn will be equal to summation of Tn. Find out. Anybody online, anyone is having trouble in this? See,
Sir, can you repeat it, sir?
okay, yes. Who is this, by the way? Shreya?
Yes, sir.
Shreya, see, the first term, see, first one is 1, 2, 3, right? You see the sequence 2, 3, 4. We are multiplying three numbers in same, what we can say, same order. In the same order, we are multiplying three numbers, right? The consecutive three numbers we are multiplying. So if first number, and we are writing in terms of n. So if the last number, let's say the last number is n, the last number here, n terms we are writing. So if the last number is n, so what we will multiply it with? n plus 1 and n plus 2, right? If you put n is equal to 1, the first term. So what you'll get? Put 1 into 2 into 3, right? N is equal to 2 if you put. So what you'll get? 2, 3, 4, right? Put n is equal to 3. What you'll get? 3, 4, 5. Understood, Shreya?
Yes, sir.
So that's the, see, these are the parts of mathematical induction, the fourth chapter. Okay, how we solve it. This we can say the observation. Okay. There is no formula or method with it related to that. So the n term, that's why the general term we can write Tn is equal to n times of n plus 1, the next term, and after this, so two consecutive terms we are multiplying. And summation Sn is always equal to Tn, whether it is AP, GP, HP, whatever series it is. So you just multiply it, summation of Tn. Tn is your n plus 1, n plus 2. What you'll get? N square, so n cube plus 3n square plus 2n. So we can separate it, summation. We can write this as summation of n cube plus 3 times summation of n square plus 2 times summation of n, right? We know summation of n cube, that is n into n plus 1. What? No, you don't need to factorize. No? That's how you'll be able to you know these terms. The answer of this and this you already have, right? In the beginning, I told you, no, these three the summation. Okay, so this is not SN. Okay, at the end you are saying. At the end, do whatever you want. I'm saying here, I'm in this step only. We know how you have already written these terms, so you can do anything after that. It's fine. You don't have to. See, this we know is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square plus 3 times of n into n plus 1, 2 times of n plus 1 upon 6 plus 2 times of n into n plus 1 by 2. Fine. Now you can cancel out these if you want. Okay. What you can write here? So this is n square plus n, or what you can do, you can take common. can you see this? What you can take common on all these three? So if you take common n into n plus 1 by 2, all you can take common, no? See, we don't have to cancel this. You just write it as it is. Here is it? 2, 2. So we can take common this here. So what will be the first one? N into n plus 1 by 2. It's like a mouse making a noise, right? Mice. Plus, what else will get? 2n plus 1 plus 2. Right? That's what we will get. See? Now this is easy to, yeah. Isn't it? Is it something is wrong here? You got it. Do it. Why you are waiting for me to solve? Do it. See, you will go to home. There also you will not do. It's better to do it here at least. Good. You patience. Okay. And you will be doctor, and the patient will not be. You want to do medicine. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. If the patient is there, and she will lose the patience that time, that person is gone now. No hope. Yeah. N square plus n by 2 plus 4. Sorry. Y. 2n plus 3. Can we write it like this? So n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, what happened? You lost all your patience. You just need to solve this here. That's it. Just add these terms. So this will be n into n plus 1 by 2. And this will be n square plus 2, n square by 2 plus. Okay, you can leave it up to here if you want. What? You have. It's fine, yeah. See the thing. Okay. Why do you have to multiply? It's fine. If you have some common terms, you just leave it like this. It's fine. I'll just take n square plus 5n plus 6 upon 2. That's it. Yeah. You'll get that. So what's the final answer? Maybe what you got? So much of struggle in my life. And into n plus 3. Thank you. You can factorize this, right? So this is your answer, summation of first n terms. Okay, since your patience is over, I think we should end the class. Let's do one problem at least. This is not NCERT problem. Give me the NCERT book. Now she'll be like, yeah, finally. See, these problems are not. See, these problems used to come in my exam. In CBSE only, I'm talking about. In CBSE, these problems are there. They will not give an NCERT, but they will ask in your final exam. Where is half of the book? You ate half of the book? Very good. Sequence and series only, right? So let's do this one.
Some based on proportion.
Which type of sums?
Component.
Achha, do you know the rules of componendo and dividendo? In the beginning of class, why don't you guys say this thing? Okay, we need to learn componendo and dividendo. Then whatever I'm teaching, just study that. Okay, do you have words problem? These are there in the syllabus, right? These are there in the syllabus. Okay, only GP words problem are there. Can you solve this problem? 25. Sum of the first n terms of the series. Okay, this is easy. So this is miscellaneous series, right? Miscellaneous questions. Okay. So what about GPGM? There you have done already, no? Geometric mean. Oh, you have word problems as well. Okay, prove that if is okay. Write down this question. If okay, next class I'll do sequence and series all your NCRT. No, nothing from this book. I'm sorry. I thought these things are there in your syllabus. Okay. See, since we have already done this, let's finish it. There is one more topic in this that is called method of difference. Okay, write down method of difference. This week, I don't think you have any class on this weekend. Any test or anything? No, you don't have any. Method of difference. See what method of now you understood. No, first you will write right in front of me. Okay, listen. So method of difference, that means some series are not in like AP and GP. We convert some series in terms of GP or AP, then we solve it, right? We did that type of problem. Similarly, we can convert some of the series in this form, the special series form. Some series are not there. So how we'll do it? With the help of example, it's better to do. Okay, the simplest example we'll take. Let's say 2, 5, 10, 17, 26. Okay, so this is a series given to you. Let's say this is the series given. This is neither in AP nor in GP, nor the special series also you cannot write it. How? You solve this problem? No, I don't think so. We have solved this. So that is product object, not this. We have okay. See, method of difference simply means just find out the difference between these terms. How much is the difference? What's the difference between here? Now you see, this is in some series. It's like ink when it just come out. Okay, right? You can see that if you take the difference, you will get these type of series 9, and it will continue. The next term will be what? 9 plus. That means here the next term will be 11, right? And it will continue till n terms. What? How we see the thing? That's what I'm saying. We are not studying everything. We are not studying each and every types of series. We will either get a series which is AP or a GP or a special series that is directly you can see like 1 square, 2 square, 3 square or cube in that form if it is there already. Or you will get a series like this. If you just take the difference, like in AP, if you take the difference, it is always constant, right? In GP, if you take the ratio, it is always constant. In special series, you can always convert to n square, n cube, and n. So in this type of series, you will always get the difference in some AP. Now, if you take the difference of this, you will always get 2. This is not in GP. This is not in AP also. Difference is in AP, yeah.
So how do you get some of that first series?
So that's what we are doing. That's what we are doing. See, suppose there can be series. There can be series when after like this is the first step we have taken. The second step also may not be in AP, but the third step if we take that will be AP. So we will sum from lower order to upper order. We'll go in that direction. So here only the first term itself is in what? In AP, right? So this is in AP. That's what we know now. Now what we can do here, what terms if this is in AP, if let's find out, let's write SN. First write down SN. SN means 2 plus 5 plus 10 plus 7, 17. I'll not write all the terms, okay? Sn. Also, if we write Sn is equal to, let's start from here, 2 plus 5 plus all the terms, okay? So what will be the last term here? Up to n terms, I think, right? First n terms, right? So first n terms we will write, n terms. Okay, if you take the difference of these two, subtract 1 from 2. So this is, let's say, 1. What is wrong with this pen? This is 1, this is 2. Subtract 2 from 1, what you will get? This side you will get 0, the left hand side. So what you'll get? 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. Now, did you get this in what series? Is this AP or not? 3 plus up to from 3 it is AP. Write down. So this is AP. Now find the okay. Wait. What will be the last term? What will be the last term? See here the last term is Tn, right? And here the last term is also Tn minus 1 plus Tn. So we have subtracted the T up to T, what term we have subtracted? Till this far we have subtracted, right? Sorry. Till this far we have subtracted, right? So the last term that will remaining will be, what will be the last term that will remain? We are subtracting it, so don't forget. We are subtracting it, so what will remain last term? Minus minus Tn. Yeah, T2n what you are saying. Yeah. So minus Tn. That means whatever you are getting is okay, let's write it. So these are in AP up to here. It is in AP. This is AP. So Tn you have got from it. Tn is equal to 2 plus AP. AP will be sum of AP will be what? N by 2. N terms we are getting here. So n minus 1 terms it will be, right? AP of n minus 1 terms. Understand that? AP. AP of n minus 1 terms. Because it was still n terms, both are n terms. We are just getting the AP till, because the first term is not in AP now, right? The first term is not in AP. Total terms we are getting. So last Tn will become. So Tn will become what? This. Tn will be 2 plus sum of this AP, sum of AP till n minus 1 terms, right? So 2 plus sum of AP n minus 1 by 2 into 2a. 2a is how much? A starts from 3 plus n minus 1. So n minus 1, so n minus 2 d. The common difference is what? 2. 2 is the common difference. Yeah, tell me. Where LHS is what? See, last term we are getting is minus Tn, right? So we are taking that minus Tn to this side. Yeah, so that's why we are taking this to left hand side. Okay, take this to left hand side and we'll have this. Okay. So what we'll get? Plus n minus 1 upon 2. And here what we are having? 6 plus 2n minus 4. So this will be equal to 2 times 2 plus, sorry, n minus 1 by 2. And this will be what? 2n plus 2. So 2 will, you can cancel 2 plus n minus 1, n plus 2, n minus 1. No? Oh, okay, yeah, correct. Correct, thanks. N plus 1. So this is your Tn you are getting. Sn is equal to what? Sn is equal to summation of Tn. Now you will find summation of Tn, that means summation of this whole 2 plus n square minus 1. Right, so you can write summation of 2 plus summation of n square minus summation of 1. Sorry, something is wrong here. N square minus 1. Yeah, that is correct, right? That means correct, right? Is that correct? No, Shruti. If there is a mistake, please tell me. Sn will be equal to, that means, see, 1 here, that means this will be equal to what? 2 plus n square minus 1, that means n square plus 1, right? So you can write summation of n square plus summation of 1. We can also write this, right? This we know, n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 whole divided by 6 plus n. So that will be your answer. You can just now you can find it, right? Sn. So Sn will be equal to 2n cube plus 3n square plus n plus 6n upon 6. What you want to take? Okay. So that will be your answer. So you can add these two as well. 7. You can take n common also, of course. 3n square plus 7n upon 6. What else you can write? Sn will be equal to n by 6, 2n square plus 3n plus 7. Right? So that will be all for today, and that we'll take one more class of this. Component to dependent or what else is there, and word problem, right? I haven't touched word problem. I never thought it is very easy. I'm sorry. See, next class we'll be doing word problem and this. Thank you. Please come on Sunday if possible. I made a note. I think so. You can prove me wrong. Yeah. You can keep it. Well, you can keep it. It's fine. Don't. It's better than buy a baby. You could have better in your pages.
That's what I was.
So you can keep it. I gave it to you. It's fine. You can give it to me. Hearing pages. Not a good habit.
There was